Spotify Camp Nou is entering one of its most exciting construction phases yet. Every new update reveals a stadium that looks dramatically different from just a few weeks ago. The new pitch is now spreading rapidly across the playing surface, while major progress inside the VIP areas is giving us one of the clearest looks yet at how the finished stadium will feel. So, let's take a closer look at everything that's changed since the last update. The stadium's compression ring continues to expand at an impressive pace, with 2 additional steel box sections successfully installed since the previous update. Crews also positioned another radial beam and a new support column, extending the structural framework further toward the Tribuna. Heavy lifting operations remain active across the upper structure as engineers prepare the next series of steel installations. With each completed lift, the upper steel ring becomes stronger and moves one step closer to forming a continuous structure around the entire stadium. Pitch installation has advanced rapidly over the past few days, with the majority of the natural grass now covering the playing surface. Installation teams continue laying and stitching the turf sections together to create a seamless finish while ensuring the surface meets professional playing standards. Workers are carefully aligning each roll and completing the final joins to create a perfectly even surface. The speed and precision of the installation clearly show that preparations for the stadium's return to football are entering their final stages. Work continues across the second cantilever, where crews are completing structural finishing and surface preparation. Concrete works are progressing while permanent steel staircases have been installed to improve access between levels. Additional materials remain on site as workers continue preparing the platform for the next phase of construction and finishing works. Construction activity remains steady throughout this section, bringing another key part of the stadium closer to its final structural configuration. The Tribuna remains one of the busiest construction zones on site, with multiple crews working simultaneously on structural steel. Progress continues on the upper framework while workers prepare the remaining connections for future installations. Interior construction also continues behind the structure, with finishing work advancing alongside the ongoing steel assembly. As activity remains high across every level, the Tribuna is steadily transforming into one of the most advanced and visually complete sections of the new stadium. Exterior sandwich panel installation continues to move forward rapidly at the south goal mobility core. With the interior cladding already completed, crews are now enclosing the outer facade, where multiple lower panels have been secured and installation has officially reached the upper level. Lifting equipment remains active throughout the area as workers carefully position each new panel before permanently fastening it into place. At the same time, preparation work continues around the remaining exposed sections, bringing the entire mobility core closer to full enclosure and the next stage of facade finishing. The south goal facade has entered another important phase as ceramic lamella installation expands onto the upper section of the mobility core. Rather than waiting to complete every remaining lower gap, construction teams have advanced directly to the upper level, where new lamellas are now being aligned and secured. Additional facade components continue arriving on site, ensuring a steady workflow as installation progresses. With several teams working simultaneously, the south goal exterior is beginning to take on its final architectural appearance. Waterproofing operations remain active across several construction zones as crews continue testing newly completed surfaces before the next concrete pours. Large sections are being filled with water to verify the effectiveness of the waterproofing system, while nearby teams prepare surrounding areas for the following structural phase. These inspections are essential to ensure long-term durability before construction moves forward. Construction has now pushed the compression ring into the Tribuna section, marking another major structural milestone. A new steel box has been lifted into position and secured, allowing crews to continue connecting the remaining sections toward the main stand. Multiple teams are working simultaneously to align, bolt, and reinforce the newly installed components before the next steel elements are lifted into place. With steady progress on every installation, The compression ring is gradually closing around the entire stadium. Preparation work around the mobility cores continues at a strong pace as workers apply the final protective gray coating to expose steel beams, brackets, and lamella support structures. This finishing process ensures the steel is fully protected before the remaining sandwich panels are installed across the exterior. Several elevated platforms remain active throughout the area, with crews completing surface preparation section by section. In the north goal corner, crews are carrying out detailed adjustment work on the recently installed ceramic lamellas to ensure every facade element is perfectly aligned. Using elevated platforms, workers are tightening fixings, checking connections, and inspecting each support before installation continues further along the corner. These precision finishing tasks are an important part of the facade process, ensuring the ceramic cladding meets both structural and visual quality standards before additional sections are completed. Installation of the protective pipe network beneath the corner cantilever continues to expand, with long pipe sections now extending across a larger portion of the structure. These components form part of the stadium's infrastructure and prepare the area for future safety systems and additional construction work as progress advances along the corner. Major progress has been made in the upper sections of Spotify Camp Nou between the VIP ring and the third tier. Crews are installing a new fence that will separate the general seating area from the premium VIP sections once the third tier opens. This barrier will improve crowd management while maintaining the exclusivity of the VIP areas. At the same time, numerous glass doors have been installed throughout the VIP ring, giving the interior a modern, open, and premium appearance. These additions significantly improve the overall finish of the upper hospitality level. Work continues at the north gold diamond structures, where crews are completing the sidewalls and defining the interior spaces. Areas that were previously open concrete and steel frameworks are now taking the shape of functional rooms with clearly established layouts. This progress indicates that the diamond structures are entering their final construction stage and moving closer to becoming fully operational fan and commercial facilities. Inside the stadium, workers have started polishing the interior shop spaces, showing that these retail areas are progressing into the finishing stage. At the same time, crews are sealing the spaces behind the facade slats to eliminate the rain leakage issues experienced last season. By covering and waterproofing these interior gaps, the stadium will provide better protection against water infiltration, improving comfort for supporters during wet weather. The exterior walls surrounding the VIP areas are undergoing rapid plastering works. Large sections that previously exposed raw concrete blockwork are now covered with smooth finished surfaces, giving the hospitality zones a much more complete appearance. As these areas will become a major source of revenue through hospitality suites and executive seating. The final corner continues moving steadily toward structural completion as another major steel support has now been installed, leaving only one primary support still to be positioned in this section. Once this final element is secured, crews will immediately begin connecting the framework with the remaining diagonal and vertical structural members, completing the main support system. Construction continues to progress across multiple areas of Spotify Camp Nou. The installation of VIP separation fencing and glass doors, the near completion of the cafeteria walls, the final development of the diamond structures, interior finishing works, rainproofing improvements, and the rapid completion of the VIP exterior all demonstrate that the project is steadily moving toward its next major milestones.